So welcome back. I've now got dressed. I've got my bag. It's actually a pee bag. There's a bag just going bleh into if I need to spit it out. So first off, I'll be trying these pufferys. So if I just put some onto my hand, I think I like our rainbow drops. I mentioned that. Oh, got a phone call. Right, so I'm back. So they're literally just like little puff balls. And I think I like our rainbow drops, so I'm going to try them. Oh wow, oh, yeah, they're sour. Oh, was not expecting that. Okay. Wow, Germany, you were evil. I thought we were like, oh, it's like rainbow drops, but then they're not. They're like really sour. I'd give them a out of 10. I'd give them a 5. They were okay. They're sour. So next up, we've got these. So there's like multiple different ones. So that's a red one, and then they taste like the gummy bears, Haribo gummy bears. So they are. I mean, I like them. 7 out of 10. Oh, okay. It's kind of like a wafer. Kind of like a wafer. Quite thin. Let's try it. It's like a wafer with chocolate and cream. That's nice. Out of 10, I'd give that a probably about a 5. It's not overly amazing. But yeah. We've got Kinder Bueno. I don't really know what Buenos taste like. Again, like a 5. They're not overly amazing for me. So put them in there because I know what they taste like. Then we have these. They are Ed Nub Locken Classic. So I think we're just like, by picture, I think they're peanuts. I don't like peanuts too well, so I probably won't like these. No. I mean, we've got like multiple of them. Let's see if it'll focus. See if I like it. It's like a little boiled sweet. They're called Ahoy Bruce. And they've got sherbet inside. They are quite nice. Corny Pig. So I don't know if it has nuts in it, but it's something to do with chocolate and cookies. So let's give it a go. It looks like it would be like a really unhealthy breakfast bar. Well, I can't taste nut if there is nut. But yeah, I like that. I give it a maybe a 7 out of 10. I give a boiled sweet it's like every other average sweet, so like a 5 out of 10. And these, oh, I hate nuts. No, ain't doing it for me. These are like a 2 out of 10. Double crunch peanuts. Barbecue flavour. Again, nuts. Don't like them. Let's see. So basically it's just kind of like a little ball. Barbecue. The barbecue is nice. I give a barbecue a 9 out of 10. It's a good taste for barbecue, but with nuts. Nope. So I have 4 items left. I've got this next, which is some sort of cake. It's kind of like weird texture, but looks a bit like a piece of poo. Oh. So inside it's like chocolate and vanilla cake. I'm not completely out of coating. That's really overpowering. I'm gonna give that maybe a 4 because it wasn't too great, but it was nice, but it wasn't like great. Crisps. Well, they taste good. Yeah, I like them. But yeah, they're really nice. I give them out an 8. I didn't think I was gonna like them. I thought they were gonna be hot. They are Haribo sauces. Probably like them. Let's have a bit of junk. Oh! Ah! I can't do it. Wow! The middle bit is extremely sour. I didn't like them. Probably like them. And the jelly sweet, sour, really sour. I give that about maybe a 4. Indeed. And then last, I've got this. It's a drink. Cola and orange. don't know, because when you first take it in, it tastes like fizzy orange, but as it sets, it tastes like cheap cola, and I don't like that. It's messing with my taste buds. I don't like that. I'll give that about a 2. Thanks for watching. Come back next month to see me open my next crate with a different country. Who knows what country it's going to be? I don't. Who knows? Or I don't follow. I follow Snack Crate and everything on like Instagram and stuff. But the second I see that post, I scroll past it because it reveals the next month, and I don't want to know the next month until I open it. I want it to be a surprise. So yeah, view my video. I'll see you next month with another video with a Snack Crate, but I'll probably see you before then with another video. Goodbye. Look after yourself.